In this video, I will show you how to fix Gemini something went wrong error. First, open your web browser and search for Gemini outages. Open one of the outage tracking websites and check whether there are any reported problems with Gemini servers. If the servers are currently down, you'll need to wait until the issue is resolved before Gemini starts working properly again. If there are no server issues, open the Google Play Store and search for Gemini. If an update is available, tap Update and wait for the latest version to install. Next, press and hold the Gemini app icon and tap App Info. From there, tap Force Stop and confirm if prompted. Now tap Storage and Cache, then select Clear Cache. This will remove temporary files that may be causing the app to malfunction. Go back to the App Info page and tap Permissions. Make sure Gemini has all the permissions it needs to function correctly. After that, return to the Google Play Store and double-check that you're running the latest version of Gemini. Finally, restart your device. Once it turns back on, open Gemini again and check whether the something went wrong error has been resolved. That's how you can fix the Gemini something went wrong error. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.